Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. In this video, I'll show you how to change both the game text language and the character voice language in League of Legends. Let's get started. First, if you only want to change the game text language, open the Riot client. Sign in to your account. Click your profile icon. Then click Settings. Select League of Legends. Under Game Text Language, choose the language you want to use. Now, if you also want to change the character voice language, close the Riot client. Exit Riot Vanguard from the system tray. Go to your desktop. Right-click the League of Legends shortcut. Then click Properties. In the Target field, go to the very end. Add one space. Then type locale equals followed by the language code you want to use. For example, if you want Japanese voices, type locale equals jo_jp. If you want to switch back to English later, type locale equals n_us. I'll also show all the available language codes on the screen. After entering the code, click Apply. Then click OK. Restart your computer. After your PC starts again, launch League of Legends. Your game text and character voices should now use the selected language. If this method doesn't work, the selected language may not be available in your region, or Riot may have changed how this method works. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.